Hello, good morning to all of you. Welcome to this GSCIS. So today we are topic they start the Hindu newspaper. RBI and PM single reform in this trouble urban corporate banks. Governor said that warm deposit by the against changing of the higher return in the papers in future. So this news is related to civil service is very important. And then Congress calls the outers of the BJP government and misses Jaipur rally. So this news is not related to civil service examination. And then Prime Minister to open Kashi Vishwanath corridor today. This 800 crore project by the launch is the accident temple to the bank of the Ganga. This news is the very important by the civil service examination. And then after Prime Minister Twitter account by the verified hacked. So city Gurugram Muslim South landform mosque in when much before current Nawaz office of and High Court asked the INA to reply to the position of ISIS suspense. So he wanted to be tried by these javelins by the JJB. This news is not related to civil service and at 604 degrees Celsius in the city since by the session coldest in the night in Delhi. So state news is the very important by the linking the Taliban with the terrorism baseless say the Drol Ullun. Ticket advice to the government change the ideology less you will get the voted out. He approval by this farmer to stay united. This news is not related to the civil service exam and then after he held by the training to Lake MAARD paper exam postponed by the student body and increase the burden of the exam. Office vaccination by the Raj in the Bangalore show the data. Stars Omicron confirmed in the Kerala and AP. Karnataka registered third case in the COVID variant. No need to panic, say Kerala Health Minister. Indians trail by Mount to 38. War of the number over Aam Aadmi Party poll promise. Congress SAD say fearless, unable to this situation. And then governor should not we have done public over variety positioning by penalisis. Educations. Editorial is a very important related to the civil service exam. The evolution of and forming of the constitution. It does not impose with reason the same burden of the accountability on the judiciary as the executive and the legislative. The stepping stone, it is the post by pandemic world. World News, it is a very important by the civil service examination, and G7 solved by the Russia to the difficult by the worm against in the Ukraine increase. Variant by UAE on the historical by the first visit by the Islamic Prime Minister. Tracy rebel by the wreck on the Taliban in earthquake. Omicron spread by faster and the weakened vaccine offensive by the World Health Organization. So new coronavirus voted in the remain part of the France. Opposition MP discussed 13 amendment.